Guten Abend. I welcome you all in series of German language for Lesung 40. Articles. Präsentiert von Ashu Sharma. Today we will see some other rules of articles in German. Let us move to the next slide. In this, we have to cover that use of definite articles. In definite articles, use of the word kein, use of the word das, articles for the combinations of nouns and sentence structure in German. So from this lesson onwards, you should also memorize all the German words used in explanations and exercises. After good command on German pronunciation, now it's time to build vocabulary slowly and steadily. So move to the next slide. First, some words about the nominative case. As also in English language, nominative case is a grammatical case that is used for a noun or pronoun when it is a subject of a verb. For example, who or what is doing the action. So generally we consider is used for a noun or pronoun when it is a subject of a verb. Except this nominative case, as we have seen in previous video, that we have accusative case, we have dative case and genitive case. So cases will be discussed in the coming lessons. This lessons describes articles in nominative cases. So as discussed in previous chapter, that German nouns have three types of genders. In this chapter, we shall discuss German articles in more details. So definite articles, there, bestimate article. From the previous chapter, we already know that the definite article the in the German has three genders. First one is der for masculine nouns, for examples, der Mann, the man. Die for feminine nouns, for example, die Frau, the woman. Next one is das for neutral nouns, for example, das Messer, the knife. So for singular in nominative case, the having these three different genders, masculine, feminine, and neutral. They have this der masculine, the feminine, thus neutral. Plural of the definite article is easy, and it is always a the, for example. So you have to just replace their the, thus with this the once you make its plural. So der Mann, die Manne, die Frau, die Frauen, das Messer, die Messer. So here in this feminine, we have this en as a radical that we have added over here, and in man this is die Manne, and das Messer, die Messer. So this is a little bit silent, this R as a radical. So this is important. So in this slide, we have discussed that nominative, that case about these three different genders for the, if you remember this, there, the, and thus. There for masculine, the for feminine, and thus for neutral. And when you want to make it plural, you have to replace each one of them with the Männer, the Frauen, the Messe, like that. So thank you very much. If you like these videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. This is very important that you watch all the previous videos on this German language series. Except this, I also have that stuff of computer science and engineering, and you may watch those videos as well. And please support me. Your suggestions and your experience always very, very vital for me. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.